today we are at Mercedes-Benz certified cars auto hangar, and we're looking at the 2018-2019 GLC 220D. So as you can see, it's one of the best selling cars, especially for Mercedes-Benz across India. It's been one of the best performing SUVs, and not only for Mercedes-Benz but also amongst all the premium brands. It's been one of the best selling compact SUVs. The car is really good on the power output. It's got the high performance LED headlights, as we can see. The car also comes with 19-inch alloy wheels. They've got cars in multiple shades available right here, not just one color. So you can come and look for yourself. It's also got the Easy Pack tailgate. So if you see, all I have to do is just click behind and I move across, and you can see the Easy Pack tailgate opening of the vehicle. The car comes with the parcel tray, and the best part about the car is that the spare wheel is not on top. The spare wheel goes under inside the boot, so it is convenient. You can use your entire 600 liters of boot space to store stuff, and also you have multiple options. So in case I want to fold down the rear seats of the vehicle, I can fold down the rear seats and have a boot space of 1600 liters, and it's so easy to do that. Just click on this side and this one, and the entire thing goes down. So that makes my boot space all the way up to 1600 liters. Now get into the back seat of the vehicle to see the space that is available. So as we get into the vehicle, you can see there's a huge amount of space. For someone like me who's 6 feet tall, the space is really good in the vehicle. And the best part about this car, it comes with the 13 speaker Burmester surround sound system, which is the 590 watt 13 speaker system, which is also available in the S class. So there's no comparison. I mean, there's nothing left anywhere in this car. They've given you the best of everything. And we can see the dashboard. It comes with the 8-inch screen. The car comes with 360-degree proximity sensors. It also comes with the 360-degree camera as well, so I can show that to you right here, which is one of the first in the segment in this size of a vehicle that Mercedes-Benz is giving a 360-degree camera, which is amazing. And you got multiple views also. I can show that to you here. Right, so that's how it works. The car also comes with 3 ambient light colors, and it comes with 5 driving modes. So you got the dynamic select lever, so you can just push this up, and you can see right here it comes with the Eco, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus and Individual, which are the 5 driving modes. Now, why would someone go in for a GLC? Multiple reasons. First reason would be the car is a good daily driver. The car is a good self-driven car, and it's a compact size for the city usage. It's easier to drive, easier to park, and definitely easier to maintain. Good size vehicle. So GLC is one of the best things. It's a all-in-one package that you get. And the best part about buying a car from Mercedes-Benz certified is that, first of all, these cars are all checked and kept properly. The cars have all clean papers. They are well kept. On multiple vehicles here, you can buy an extended warranty if you ever require it. And also all these cars will be available with a complete service history. And definitely the cars are very well kept. They're clean cars, and seeing the name of the showroom itself that says Mercedes-Benz certified, we know the quality that we expect right here. So that's the best part. And they also have attractive trade-in options and finance offers.